This is the 3-pack of the Polo Ralph Lauren boxers. Just open them up right here and you see what's inside. Really great boxer shorts here. I'm a repeat buyer of this brand. Here you get the green, you get the black, and then the blue color right here. This is how they come here. They just come rolled up just like this. Really nice, really nicely packaged here. So you get the blue, the black, and the green. And then you just open it up. Just got a little bit piece of tape on here. And these are really great items here. Again, I'm a repeat buyer of this brand, been buying them for quite some time. And what's nice about these, the newer ones, if you have the older versions here, the older ones had a tag in there. These just, it has the information just right, you know, like printed right on there. And the waistband is a little bit better than the previous versions, but these are really great boxer shorts. Really great fit. They wash really good, and they last a really long time here. So again, you get the 3-pack here. You get the black with the Polo horse on here, and then you get a green checkered pair as well, just like the blue ones. But overall, very pleased with these. They hold up a long time, and again, the new design here with the without the tag is just really nice. You'd see it does have the logo right here on the bottom, and just really nice vibrant colors, and just overall really great products. Polo Ralph Lauren is a really great brand. Made some really high quality items, and just really great products. Highly recommend them.